Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 5 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and update. Then let's tap on date and time, and here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those switchers here, and now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping. The same with the time, just tap on it and change to the desired time. Here we can change the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've got the full list of available time zones, so find yours and tap on it, it will be immediately applied. Here we can also change the time format, so 12-hour format or 24-hour one, it's totally up to you. And the dual clock, we can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and basically we can display two different clocks, the first one with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second from any other place in the world of your choice. So this is the manual customization, and if you'd like to get back to the previous options, so the automatic options, just tap on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.